Baked potatoes are easy. Just prick them on both sides with a fork first. Rub them with butter. Place a square of tin foil underneath so you can salt on both sides, and then wrap it up just like this. Doesn't have to be a fancy, anything, just as long as you close off the gaps the best you can. And then when they're done, these are already cooked. We know because we took a fork and we were able to prick down in there very easily. So we know that they've cooked. We cooked on 425 for about an hour. These are pretty large potatoes. And a real simple thing you can do before you serve them is to roll them, and while you're pressing down, you can feel that it's not as lumpy anymore, so you don't have those chunks when you're opening them up. They'll just be a little more tender when it's time to pop it open. We can see if this one is done. That's soft. That could go a little longer. When you unwrap this, you're going to need to use oven mitts. Very, very hot. You can see how tender this is. I'm going to roll it right out. Okay, we're going to slice this open. You can see, look how it's already so soft and tender. We want to add a slab of butter. Now you can, while you're cooking these potatoes, here's a little Velveeta cheese. You can cook up some broccoli and just saute some onions, and you'll have an amazing baked potato supper here. A little salt and pepper to your taste, and this is going to melt into a nice gooey sauce. All right, this potato was not rolled like that first, and it'll be tender inside, but it's going to come out more like in chunks, you'll see. And take this butter knife through. It's soft enough, but when you open it, okay, there it is, and that's fine. When you take it out, though, you're going to have to mix all your toppings together kind of in chunks, whereas when you do that rolling back and forth with the foil still on and your hot pads on, then it breaks everything up nicely, more like mashed potato. The potato is so hot, the cheese just went ahead and melted, and now we're going to add some broccoli and some sauteed onions as well. And this is a delicious, very simple, very cheap stay-at-home supper. Now we'll try this. Potatoes at home.